Sajini and I have created a quiz on Python in Python itself. Let's solve the quiz. In Python, is input keyword used for asking the user to input something? Any guesses? Yes! In Python, is it okay if I use keywords as variables? Any guesses? No. Is def used to define a variable? Any guesses? Yes. Is while loop used to print something? Any guesses? No. Is float in Python a loop? Any guesses? No. How did I do this? First, I have given a welcome sign to the user and I've given a hint to the user to type all his or her answers in capital letters completely. And I've asked him or her to type only yes or no, and that too in capital letters. First, I have made a variable called ask1. This should be completely user input. So in Python, is input keyword used for asking the user to input something? It is yes, because when you put input, normally the question becomes a user input. The next variable I've given is ask2. In Python, is it okay if I use keywords as variables? No. Print and input like those keywords, you cannot use them as variables. The next variable I've given is ask3. Is def used to define a variable? Yes. When you have some variable of your own, you can define it by using def and you can use it in the whole program and call it at the end. The next variable I've given is ask4. Is while loop used to print something? No. In Python, while loops are used to execute a block of statements repeatedly until a given condition is satisfied. The final variable I've given is ask5. Is float in Python a loop? No, it is not. It is decimals. Now what is if and else loop? In Python, if statement is used for decision-making operations. It contains a body of code which runs only when the condition given in the if statement is true. If the condition is false, then the optional else statement runs, which contains some code for the else condition. Don't know Python yet? Python is always there to help. Thank you.